Hi guys, it's Tucker with Adventures with Tuckney. Today I'm going to show you our new Oxygenics Fury RV shower head and how to install it real quick and change your shower head in your RV. So we're going to start by taking out the old shower head that we had in here. Basically, you can leave this up here. Sometimes you might need tools. This was not very tight. Just unscrew this and then let the water come out of the hose, and then you can take this old shower head down. There you go. So we took the old mount off for the shower head. So now we're going to change the wall mount for the shower head because this one has a ball joint, so it will pivot. So the screw head here came with a little Oxygenics bubble to put over the top so that you don't have to see just a plain old screw head. Then we'll screw there's the ball joint. So now the shower head will pivot more that way or over this direction too. Next, we're going to take this plumber's tape that was supplied and we're going to wrap it around the faucet where the threads are. That way it gives it a good seal so that you don't have leaks and water just running out of the shower faucet. I like to go around it 2 or 3 times. You just tear it off. So we've hung the shower head. See how it swivels here and pivots more over this direction. Now we're going to screw this in right up here. There we go. Over time, the shower hose will start to just hang instead of being stiff and in a form like that from being in the box. Okay, let's give this a try. Actually got a lot more pressure. This piece here, you can turn the control down and have just a trickle instead of having to turn the actual faucet off when you're in the shower, or if you need to just have a little bitty bit of water going. It helps you conserve water when you're boondocking or overall in general. We want to thank Oxygenics for providing this shower head for us. If you'd like to purchase one of these, please click the link below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.